Hello everyone, welcome to Cloudy ML. Here we are going to learn the aspects of machine learning which we can execute in our cloud console. So to begin with, we are here in AWS Management Console. Today we are just going to see an overview of the machine learning service of Amazon, which we know by the name Amazon SageMaker, which is here. You can also find it here by typing SageMaker and you will get it here. So once we are here, we can see on the left hand side we have so many options. So I will just give an overview of each and every category of services provided by SageMaker so that we get a good idea of where to start and how the things work. After this video, we'll build upon each category by category and learn the system. To begin with, notebooks. So we all are aware about the Jupyter notebooks. So in Amazon, they will provide something called Jupyter notebooks instances, which will be running on an EC2 instance, which we don't need to manage. It's managed by AWS. So these are the notebook instances. We need to create a notebook instance and run it. I'm not going to create it now. We will see deeper in later sections. Then comes the training job. Here we have something called algorithm. Algorithm means we can create our own algorithm, or we can search for some existing algorithm in the AWS marketplace. Also, Amazon provides us its own algorithm. We are going to look into that. After we have built our algorithms, which you will do using Docker, we will come to training jobs. In training jobs, you can use those particular algorithm. You can create here training job, and you have to specify many parameters like instance type and which type of algorithm. We can have our own algorithm ECR, which we call it Elastic Container Registry, which is a Docker path. We will dive deeper into that later. So hyperparameters, input data, output data models, where we will be saving the outputs of our model training. For example, we have pickle files. Next in the scene we have inference. So once for a complete machine learning project, once we have done all our analysis and models are ready, we need to deploy it somewhere. So we did not worry about that. AWS provide us the complete managed environment, no issue with security. We all can be taken care of by Amazon. So this is endpoint. So endpoints are nothing, just they are also an EC2 instance which is managed by AWS SageMaker, which will host your models. Meaning the pickle files which you have created after completing the training job will be present in this system, this endpoint instance, and there will be one server, Nginx server, which will be handling the HTTP request coming to it, and give the prediction output. So all this will happen using some other services called Lambda and API gateway, which we will look like. We are going to design a complete flow of from creating an algorithm to deploying a model and calling it from some front-end UI. This complete flow we are going to see in this series of videos. So this is endpoint configuration, then we have endpoints. So this is where we are going to create our endpoints. So that's it for now. Once we are done, now we are done with this video. It was just an introductory video. In next series of video, you will see how I am going to build step by step and build a complete flow of machine learning till deployment. You are not going to get these videos anywhere. You have to pay for many courses, but here you will get completely free of cost. And apart from that, you don't need to attend long AWS event webinars to understand deep concepts. So here I will conclude my this video. Thank you.